Howdy ho, bitches. How are you today? I'm doing pretty well. Getting ready to get uncanny with a Coca-Cola. Another no beer edition. But I'm kind of high. Woohoo! Cheers, big ears. I hate these no beer editions. Hopefully not for too much longer. We'll be back into the beers. So what we got going on today? We're doing a Stromboli. What kind of Stromboli are you doing? We're doing a corned beef Stromboli. What? Corned beef? Yeah. On rye. You gotta make a pizza and a Stromboli. Yeehaw! Alright, bitches. This is not my standard rye pizza dough that I got here. This is an experiment. But for my normal or usual rye pizza dough video, there will be a link down below in the description and an iCard above. So, pretty basic, pretty easy. What's going on? We got rye for our pizza dough. We have Ziggy's corned beef. We've got Armstrong Monterey Jack with jalapeno in there. And you gotta have some mustard on your corned beef, so we're going with a good German Lowensenf mustard. Fuck yeah. And because I like pickles with my corned beef on rye, I got some dill pickle relish that's going in there. And yeah, we'll put some Grana Padano on top too, I guess, and get some olive oil for on top. And that's it. So, let me get to grating this cheese, and we'll spread the dough out and make a Stromboli. Woohoo! Fuck yeah. Drink up, buttercup. Ah, nice. Oh, and here you go. What is our choice for today for getting gooned? We got Buddha Bombs. Of course, I haven't opened either one of these. The open package is over there. Fuck yeah. 100 milligrams in each pack. I took 40. Woohoo! Alright. Let's make the Stromboli. RTFO, mofos. Alright. Woo! Cheers, big ears. Got some flour laid out here. So let's get one of our dough balls. Get ready to come here, bitchy. Press that puppy out. Oop, air bubble. Pizza coming up. Some flour down on top of that. So make a nice rectangle out of this fucker. Press it out. Then we get the rolling pin. We'll roll it out. Yeah, perfect. Alright, let me roll this out. And I'll be back. We don't need that anymore. Alright bitches, you saw how that all came together. Rolled her up nice, folded it under, seam is on the bottom. Now, you want to put some slits in here, go right ahead. You don't have to. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Today I will. If I can find some kind of knife around here, there's one. But before we go with the knife, or after, it doesn't really matter. Put some olive oil on here. Where's my brush? Here it is. You don't need a brush, you can use your fingers. Just a little bit, good enough. Boom, boom, give her a painteroo. A little bit more here, eh? Just a tad. Just a little drop or two. There you go, bitchy McBitch nuts. Alright. So, the oven's at 425 Fahrenheit. We're going to do this for, throw it in there probably for 20 to 25 minutes. Probably closer around 20. Put a couple of slits in there. Get rid of some steam. There you go. Boom. Good enough. In we go, mofos. Looks like that. And we'll come back out, we'll grate some grana padano on the top. There, bitch nuts. Boom. Cheers, big ears. See you in a bit. Woohoo! Fuck yeah. Alright, bitches. It's been 20 minutes. Got another fucking Coca-Cola here. Definitely not as good as a beer, but it's gotta do. Oh yeah, this video will be current. This is the second week of January 2023. My first video that I've recorded this year. Cheers, big ears. Happy fucking New Year. Well, hopefully 2023 is better than 2022, because that fucking sucked ass for me. Oh yeah. Oh fuck me, that's awesome. Oh yeah. Okay. Hold on. Sizzle, sizzle. Manizzle. Woo! Okay. That cheese is molten like lava. Hot. And it looks like that. Alright, let's let this cool down for about, I don't know, 5 minutes. So that was, yeah, 20 minutes at 425. Woohoo! Fuck yeah. RTFO mofos. We'll be back. Fuck yeah. Alright. We haven't cooled down too much, just been a second. Let's get some grana padano on there and let it melt on top. That way we can get an elbow shot in for Elbow Boy. Here you go, buddy. Beauty. Smells awesome. Alright bitches, give me a minute and I'll be right back. Yes. Alright bitches, let's cut this open, shall we? Let's cut her open right here. Oh, fuck me. Look at that, eh? Look at that. That's beauty. Yeah. Fuck me. Alright, give me a second here. Get a plate. That's what I gotta do. Fuck me. It's the one thing about when you're fucking high. Oh, it's oozing. What's that? That's that MMT? How's that go?
Should be oozing. Smash it.
It should be oozing. Fuck yeah. Nice. Thanks, MMT. Alright, let me get a plate. I'll be back. Alright, I got a plate. Fuck yeah. Away with you. Mmm. Go over here. Fork and a knife. If I want one. Maybe I don't even want one. We'll see. Alright. Moment of truth. Still be fucking hot, I bet. Mmm. That's fucking good. Fucking hot. Oh yeah. Dill pickle relish, mustard, cheese, corned beef, rye. Hot. Son of a bitch. That's fucking good. Mmm. Mmm. Fuck yeah. Alright, bitches. That was fucking awesome. Wow. That was really fucking good. Alright, keep this as short as possible. Make this. You'll like it. Do it. And use the link in the iCard or the description below for my usual rye flour pizza dough. Or make it with a white flour pizza dough. It's just as good. RTFO mofos, keep your head up, keep your stick on the ice, keep on rocking in the free fucking world.